Hello, first graders. We're going to do some work with the number line today. And to start, we're just going to take a look at the number line and look at some things that we notice about the numbers. So a number line is a line that goes from smallest numbers to biggest numbers when you move up the number line. You see an arrow on each end because that means numbers never stop. We're just looking at a little piece of a number line. When we go backwards, the numbers get smaller. So let's start by counting. I want you to count with me, but pay attention to how I draw my hops and notice that I don't try to count as fast as I can because I want to really be careful when I'm thinking about how I draw my hops on a number line. So let's start. We're going to start with number 1. We're going to go to number 20. Here we go, counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Now we're going to come down to here, the frog with the crown on him, and we're going to count again on the number line, but we're going to count from 20. And remember I said it gets smaller as it goes back, but you can count backwards on a number line. So we're going to count all the way back to number 1. Count with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job again. Now, when we counted that way, it was backwards and our numbers got smaller. But I wonder, did you notice that when I counted, I didn't do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That would never work. We have to really make sure that we are counting, and when we draw our hops, we hop from one line to the next, and we only count that one as 1. When we do it again, that's 2 hops. The next one, 3 hops. So just remember that when you hop and you're drawing your lines, that's how you'll want to do it. Just like you don't want to draw them too little and too fast, you also don't want to hop and skip numbers. Not yet. So let's work on doing it one at a time. Now, the one thing we don't have to do is we don't always have to start on number 1 or number 20. We can pick a number in the middle. I'm thinking of a number 8. Did you think of that number in your head? Because that's the one I'm thinking about. So we're going to start on number 8 and we're going to count up 3 hops. Now, we're not worried about the number 3. We're just counting 3 hops. So this guy's ready to hop. Let's put our pointer finger, or you can put, if you have a pencil and you're using the number grid in your folder that we gave you the other day, that would also work. But right now, let's just use our pointer finger and let's count 3 hops going up the number line. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Did you notice that 3 hops moved us from number 8 to number 11? Now let's go down here. Let's start. I'm thinking of a number. How about 15? 15 is my number, and we're going to hop back 3 hops. Are you ready? I hope you remembered. Back means we go that way. So 15, and we're going to hop back 3 hops. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? Yeah, great job. It's number 12. Now you're going to have a slide that you're going to work on the computer. So when you see the slide, I have put some problems for you to work on. And the very first one says start at 9, hop up 5. So I'm coming up here on my computer and I'm going to click the scribble tool. That's what you're going to want to do. And then I'm going to put my my little pretend finger and my scribble tool on number 9, and I'm going to hop up 5 hops. So I want you to count with me, and this is what you'll do on the computer at your house when you do this slide. Ready? 9, and we're going to hop up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I like that color, so I'm going to hit my pencil and color it blue. And now I can just click off of it and look at that. Now your teacher will be able to count that you counted 5 hops and you moved from number 9 up 5 hops to number 14. Now I'm going to go back here and click my scribble tool again. And I'm going to do the bottom one, which says to start at 12. And here's my number 12. And let's see, we're going to click on that scribble tool, starting on number 12, and we're going to hop back 6. Ready? Count with me. Oh, it doesn't want to hold my scribble tool. Let's try this again. Okay, let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I think I would like to just change my color. I like the color red. So guess what I did? There's my 6 hops. I started at 12 and I hopped back 6. You're going to work on yours. When you're finished, you will go ahead and click on the X at the top of your slides right here. When you click on X, you're going to come to your classroom again. And when you come to the classwork, you'll want to click on the mark as done, or it might say turn in. You'll want to make sure you do that because then your teacher will get to see your work. And that means you're all done. So you'll have 2 problems to work on today. Good luck and have lots of fun.